Greetings, everyone. Welcome to exciting episode. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of persuasion. Whether you're a business professional, a communicator, or just someone navigating through everyday conversations, mastering the magic of persuasion is an invaluable skill. Join me on this journey as we unlock the secrets and strategies that make persuasion a true art. Let's dive in. Segment 1, The Psychology of Persuasion. In our first segment, we're unraveling the fascinating world of the psychology of persuasion. Understanding the intricate workings of the human mind is crucial for mastering the art of persuasion. Let's explore the key principles that influence decision-making and make your persuasive efforts truly magical. First and foremost, social proof is a powerful force. Humans tend to follow the actions of others, especially in uncertain situations. We'll dive deep into how showcasing the approval or endorsement of others can significantly enhance your persuasive message. Cognitive biases are the quirks in our thinking that influence our judgments. From confirmation bias to the anchoring effect, we'll navigate through these biases and discuss how being aware of them can amplify your persuasive impact. Reciprocity, the principle of give and take, is another psychological driver. Discover how offering value before expecting something in return can create a sense of obligation, making your persuasive efforts more compelling. As we delve into the psychology of persuasion, keep in mind that understanding your audience is key. Tailoring your message to resonate with their beliefs and values enhances the likelihood of success. We'll explore the art of audience analysis to ensure your persuasion is both effective and ethical. So, buckle up as we journey through the intricate landscape of human psychology in the realm of persuasion. If you're finding this exploration intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Our quest to master the magic of persuasion is just getting started. Segment 2, Building Trust and Credibility. In this segment, we're delving into a crucial aspect of persuasion, building trust and credibility. Trust is the cornerstone of any persuasive effort, and establishing credibility is the key to gaining trust. Let's unravel the strategies that will make you a trusted and persuasive communicator. Authenticity is our first stop on this journey. We'll explore the importance of being genuine and transparent in your communication. Discover how authenticity creates a connection with your audience, fostering trust from the very start. Building expertise is the next pillar. Whether you're persuading in a professional setting or everyday conversations, showcasing your knowledge and competence enhances your credibility. We'll discuss practical ways to position yourself as an authority in your field. Consistency is a reliable ally in building trust. We'll explore the power of aligning your words with your actions over time. Consistency not only builds trust but also reinforces your credibility, making your persuasive efforts more impactful. Effective communication is a two-way street. We'll delve into the art of active listening, a skill that not only demonstrates respect but also deepens the connection with your audience. Learn how attentive listening contributes to trust building. Case studies and success stories are potent tools in your persuasion arsenal. We'll discuss how sharing real-world examples and testimonials can enhance your credibility by showcasing tangible evidence of your ideas or proposals. Remember, trust is fragile, but when nurtured with authenticity, expertise, consistency, and effective communication, it becomes a powerful force in persuasion. If you're finding these insights valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more on mastering the magic of persuasion. Segment 3, Crafting Compelling Stories. In this segment, we're diving into the enchanting realm of storytelling as a powerful tool for persuasion. Stories have the magical ability to captivate hearts and minds, making them an essential element in your persuasive arsenal. Let's explore the art of crafting compelling narratives. At the heart of persuasive storytelling is emotional connection. We'll unravel how stories evoke emotions, creating a memorable and impactful experience for your audience. Discover the emotional elements that resonate and leave a lasting impression. Structure is key to a compelling story. We'll discuss the classic narrative arc, exploring how a well-crafted story unfolds with an introduction, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Understand the power of pacing to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Characters add depth to your narrative. We'll explore how relatable characters can serve as vessels for your message, allowing your audience to connect with the story on a personal level. Learn the art of character development to enhance the persuasive impact of your tales. Visual language is another dimension of storytelling. We'll delve into the use of vivid imagery and descriptive language to paint a vivid picture in the minds of your audience. Visualization enhances engagement and reinforces your persuasive message. The hero's journey is a timeless archetype. We'll explore how casting your audience or your message as the hero in a narrative journey can create a sense of empowerment and alignment. Discover how this framework adds a compelling layer to your persuasive stories. As we navigate the enchanting world of storytelling, remember that authenticity and relevance are your guiding stars. Craft stories that align with your message and resonate with your audience's experiences. If you're enjoying this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your storytelling tips in the comments. Our journey to master the magic of persuasion continues. Segment 4, The Power of Body Language. In this segment, we're unraveling the silent language that speaks volumes, body language. The way you carry yourself can significantly enhance or diminish your persuasive abilities. Join me as we explore the nuances of body language and how it adds a powerful layer to your communication. Confidence is a cornerstone of persuasive body language. We'll delve into the subtle cues that project confidence, from maintaining eye contact to adopting an open and upright posture. Discover how these signals can influence perceptions and enhance your persuasive impact. Gestures convey meaning beyond words. We'll explore the art of purposeful gestures and how they can amplify your message. Whether emphasizing a point or illustrating a concept, gestures add dynamism to your communication and increase engagement. Facial expressions are windows to emotions. We'll discuss how expressing genuine emotions through your facial expressions can create a connection with your audience. Learn to harness the power of a sincere smile, attentive gaze, and other facial cues to build rapport. Proximity and personal space play a role in nonverbal communication. We'll explore the delicate balance of maintaining an appropriate distance to foster connection without invading personal space. Understand the cultural nuances that influence spatial dynamics in different contexts. Mirroring is a subtle yet effective technique. We'll discuss how mirroring the body language of your audience can create a sense of rapport and establish a connection. Learn the art of mirroring without appearing contrived or insincere. As we navigate the intricate dance of body language, remember that authenticity is paramount. The key is to align your nonverbal cues with your message and intent. If you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on persuasive body language in the comments. Stay tuned for more on mastering the magic of persuasion. Segment 5, Overcoming Objections. Everyone. In this segment, we're tackling a crucial aspect of persuasion, overcoming objections. No persuasive journey is without challenges, and addressing objections effectively is key to turning skepticism into agreement. Join me as we explore strategies to navigate objections and strengthen your persuasive prowess. Anticipation is the first line of defense. We'll discuss the importance of anticipating objections before they arise. By understanding your audience and their potential concerns, you can proactively address objections and build a stronger case for your message. Active listening takes center stage. We'll delve into the art of truly hearing your audience's objections. Acknowledging and validating concerns fosters trust and opens the door for constructive dialogue. Discover how active listening can turn objections into opportunities for connection. Empathy is a persuasive superpower. We'll explore how putting yourself in your audience's shoes allows you to respond to objections with understanding and compassion. Learn to communicate that you genuinely value and respect different perspectives. Clarification is a precision tool. We'll discuss the importance of seeking clarification when faced with vague or ambiguous objections. By drilling down to the root of the concern, you can tailor your response more effectively and address specific issues. Building a case for reassurance is key. We'll explore how providing evidence, testimonials, or examples can alleviate concerns and reinforce your message. Crafting a persuasive narrative that directly addresses objections strengthens your overall argument. Remember, objections are opportunities for dialogue and refinement. By skillfully addressing objections, you not only overcome resistance but also build a stronger foundation for agreement. If you're finding these strategies insightful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your experiences with overcoming objections in the comments. Our exploration of mastering the magic of persuasion continues. Segment 6, Navigating Ethical Boundaries. In this segment, we're navigating the ethical terrain of persuasion. The art of persuasion comes with great responsibility, and understanding the ethical boundaries ensures that your influence is wielded with integrity and respect. Join me as we explore the delicate balance between persuasion and ethical considerations. Transparency is our ethical compass. We'll discuss the importance of being transparent in your persuasive efforts. Open communication about your intentions, motives, and any potential conflicts of interest builds trust and upholds ethical standards. Respecting autonomy is paramount. We'll explore how ethical persuasion involves respecting the autonomy and free will of your audience. Persuasion should empower individuals to make informed choices rather than coerce or manipulate them against their will. Truthfulness is the foundation of ethical persuasion. We'll delve into the significance of presenting accurate information and avoiding deceptive tactics. Honesty builds credibility and fosters a genuine connection with your audience. Balancing persuasion with empathy is key. We'll discuss how understanding the emotions and perspectives of your audience contributes to ethical persuasion. Empathy ensures that your persuasive efforts are considerate and sensitive to diverse perspectives. Cultural awareness is a vital aspect. We'll explore how being mindful of cultural differences and norms prevents unintentional insensitivity. Respecting cultural diversity in your persuasive messages demonstrates a commitment to ethical communication. As we journey through ethical considerations in persuasion, remember that ethical persuasion not only safeguards your reputation but also contributes to building a positive and lasting impact. If you're finding these ethical guidelines valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on ethical persuasion in the comments. Our exploration of mastering the magic of persuasion continues. At the conclusion of our journey into the world of persuasion, let us always remember that the power of persuasion lies in the balance between art and morality. Building on confidence and authenticity, presenting poignant stories, understanding body language, and facing challenges wisely. Moral persuasion charts a path that builds understanding and enriches relationships. Thank you for participating in this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share your thoughts. May you master the art of persuasion.